When it comes to positive COVID-19 cases right now, what is required of your school to tell you? Focus investigative reporter Paula Vassan's been talking with students, teachers, and legal experts to get you the answers.
It's good information for everybody now.
That's how 16-year-old Zoe Page feels about COVID-19 cases in school.
I definitely like it to be reported.
She's a junior at DuPont Manual High School in Louisville. For now, she's learning remotely. But when she does go back, she wants as much information as possible.
Because if there's like 200 people in my school walking around who tested positive, I'm not going to want to be there.
But she's not sure actual names should be released.
I don't know if it'd be good for the social wise, but health wise, I mean, it might be for the best.
We've got about right around 300 students in our high school.
Alan Spade, a teacher in Frankfort, says his high school's reentry plan involves being as transparent as possible.
As a school, what are you required to disclose?
We can't disclose any names. And so I think we will disclose as much as possible to give parents as much good information as we can.
But for now, he says it's voluntary.
Are there any repercussions if you are not transparent about COVID-19 cases?
I don't think the legislature has passed any laws, and I don't think the governor has set any mandate.
In June, state officials released this document. It says all schools must notify their local health department of positive cases and be prepared to cooperate. A spokesperson with the Archdiocese of Louisville says Catholic schools are also following these recommendations. The governor has extended his guidelines to private schools too. But like all schools, it's up to each one to decide the extent they want to comply.
We need schools to be transparent.
Late last month, Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear revealed new data showing cases among school districts statewide. Updated daily, it shows as of September 3rd, there have been 375 cases among students and staff.
That's great information for people to have.
But the numbers only reflect districts that have reported. Right now, the list doesn't encompass all 171 school districts in Kentucky. Attorney David Barber, a father of three, says additional reporting would make him feel more confident about his own kids being in school.
If you want to open up schools, people have to feel like safety is first.
For parents and students who may be concerned that their school isn't giving them enough information, what do you want them to know?
That the federal laws are not going to prevent any school from giving out information that there are cases there.
He warns schools against hiding behind privacy laws like HIPAA, which protects personal health records. He says privacy laws prevent schools from disclosing names, but not the information the governor has asked them to share.
There really aren't obstacles to disclosing basic information to anybody.
It all weighs on Paige's mind as she prepares for whenever in-person classes are a reality.
I'll be patient until they do find a good way to sort it all out.
Governor Beshear has recommended schools stay online only until at least September 28th. And when that day comes, students and educators say transparency will be essential to put safety first. For Focus, I'm Paula Vassan.